Let's be honest. You hate tracking your business expenses. And I don't mean mild dislike. I mean you'd rather clean the office bathroom than sit down and categorize last month's transactions. I know because I felt the exact same way. For over 20 years, I ran 2 small businesses in Wichita, Kansas. And every single month, expense tracking was the task I dreaded most. But here's what I figured out. You don't hate expense tracking. You hate the way you've been doing it. And in this video, I'm going to show you what's actually making it miserable and how to fix each one. Reason number 1 you hate it. It's painfully tedious. You download a bank statement. You open a spreadsheet. Then you go line by line, typing category names next to each transaction. Shell Oil, that's gas. Amazon, was that office supplies or was that personal? Starbucks, you bought coffee for a client meeting. So that's meals and entertainment. But what about the other 3 Starbucks charges? By the time you're 30 transactions in, your eyes are glazing over. And you still have 200 more to go. No wonder you keep putting it off. Reason number 2. The categories are confusing. The IRS has its own list of deductible expense categories, and they don't always match the way you think about your spending. Is your phone bill utilities or communication? Is a new laptop office supplies or equipment? What about your Zoom subscription? Is that software or office expenses? Most small business owners aren't accountants. So you either guess, pick a random category, or just dump everything into miscellaneous. None of those help you at tax time. Reason number 3. It feels completely pointless until tax season. For 10 months out of the year, nobody is asking you for your expense reports. Your accountant isn't calling. The IRS isn't knocking. So your brain says, why bother? I'll deal with it later. Then later becomes January. Your accountant needs numbers, and now you're in full panic mode trying to reconstruct an entire year. Here's the thing nobody tells you. The problem isn't that you're lazy or disorganized. The problem is that the tools you've been using were never designed for someone like you. Spreadsheets require you to do everything manually. QuickBooks costs $30 a month and has 50 features you'll never touch. You don't need an accounting degree. You just need a simpler system. So let me show you the fix. This is Exilir Classify. Instead of typing categories one by one, you import your bank statement as a CSV file. Just drag it in. Now here's where it gets good. You create keyword rules. Tell the system, anything with Shell Oil is fuel. Anything with Amazon is office supplies. Do this once, and every future transaction with that keyword classifies itself automatically. After a couple of months, about 80% of your transactions are already categorized before you even look at them. The tedious part is gone. What about the confusing categories? Classify gives you a clean drop-down with real categories that map to what the IRS expects. No guessing, no miscellaneous pile. And for the transactions that don't have a keyword rule yet, there's Quick Classify. Select a few transactions, pick a category, done. 3 transactions in about 10 seconds. But here's the thing. Once you've built up your keyword rules, you can classify hundreds of records automatically. And that last reason, that it feels pointless until tax season, that changes when you can actually see your numbers. Classify shows you exactly where your money is going, broken down by category, by month, by business. When you can pull up a report in 5 seconds and see that you spent $400 on fuel last month, that's not pointless. That's visibility. And visibility is what helps you make better decisions, not just at tax time, but all year long. So if you've been telling yourself you hate expense tracking, I get it. But it's not the tracking you hate. It's the way you've been doing it. Fix the system, and the problem goes away. Exilir Classify starts at $7 a month. There's a free trial, no credit card required. Head to exilir.net to try it. And if this video helped you, subscribe. I'm putting out new content every week for small business owners who want to keep things simple. I'm Oscar from Exilir. Thanks for watching.